everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about these NOW Cayenne supplements. This is what it looks like. This is 500 milligrams per capsule, and there's 100 capsules or 100 capsules per bottle. My husband and I both have started taking this for a few months now, and we absolutely love it. It's really great for digestion. It's great for cardiovascular health. It's great for blood vessel dilation, and then also pain management. We've noticed. We heard a lot of people say that this is a really great pain management tool. My husband and I both kind of have bad backs. We have a lot of back pain, a lot of neck pain. This has helped so much. I love that I don't have to take something like ibuprofen or Tylenol. I can take something super natural and it helps all the time. Like, it's really surprising to me how much it helps. I prefer to take something natural when possible, so this has been a great solution for that. These are vegan. The capsules themselves are vegetable capsules, so there's no animal products whatsoever. They're non-GMO. They're just 100% pure cayenne in capsule form. I haven't received any heartburn or burning sensations after taking them, and I am a little bit more susceptible to those kinds of things, indigestion and heartburn, when I eat spicy things. This doesn't happen at all. I just absolutely have loved it for that reason alone. I think if you were looking for something that is going to help digestion, maybe pain management, I think this would be a perfect product. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.